How to create a Game Pass on Roblox Mobile. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to move out of the Roblox app, and we are going to use a browser. I'm just going to use Safari, and we are going to the URL creator.roblox.com. From here, you need to log in, so tap on login at the top right and log into your Roblox account. Once you have logged in, click on the 3-bar line at the top left and go to dashboard, and by default you should have a place or experience right here. So just tap on a specific place, it doesn't matter which one. And from here, let's click on the 3-bar line again at the top left, scroll down, and under the monetization section, let's go to passes. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Tap on create a pass, and you can then name your Game Pass and add in a description as well, and just tap on create pass at the bottom. You can also change the image of that if you wanted to, and after that, tap on the Game Pass that you just created. Now if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Tap on the 3-bar line again at the top left and go to sales. Let's toggle on this item for sale option and price it as you'd like. You can also turn on to enable regional pricing. You can read more about it by clicking on this learn more at the top. And remember that you would have to keep only a percentage of that Robux price, and just tap on save changes at the bottom and tap on proceed. And you have successfully created a Game Pass like this. You can copy the asset ID, go back to the basic settings, or go back to the passes page, and this is where you can see your Game Pass.